What's up, guys? I'm here with my boy Dusty. We're gonna head downtown Columbia, South Carolina. We're gonna meet up with one of our buddies. He's real good with the camera. He said he'd get us some nice pictures. We're just trying to have fun with these bikes. We're just having fun. Now, this will actually be the first time that I take this thing on the actual interstate. This is not my bike. This is a family member's bike. And so it's a little bit more CC than I'm used to, but man, it is so much fun. So much fun. So as I'm riding downtown, I actually have to be careful and be mindful. My friend's right behind me. So no crazy turns, no fast whips, no nothing like that. And he's actually posted up on my bike right now. He's on my Rebel 500. And so I'm trying not to leave him too far behind me as he's getting used to the gearing. He's used to riding a Harley, which is a lot faster than that thing. So I'll take it easy on him, go a little slow. But yeah, it's always nice to be on a different bike, a little faster and, you know, different pace. Now this thing is, this bike here is a Honda Shadow Phantom. It's a 2024. It's brand spanking new. I don't know if you see the odometer. 204 miles on it. Really nothing at all on this bike. And so this will be the first time that it's on the interstate. So I don't want to rev it too crazy, because it's still within that braking period. I kind of forgot about that. But we'll treat it real nice. It's all full of gas. She's happy. She's real happy. All right. How's she feeling? Yeah, man. That thing. Woo! Chef's kiss.
It sounds so good, dude.
It sounds better than this. Yeah. Yeah, this is a brand new. This is stock. There's nothing on the exhaust. It's all right. Oh man, listen to that Rebel. Advancing high and slip on. I love it. All right, first time on the interstate with this boy. Let's see how she does. First time on the interstate with the Shadow Phantom. Yeah, just for politeness sake, we'll stay in this lane so he doesn't have to rev that engine super hard. As he figures out he can wind sixth. Wow, this thing is so much more stable than my Rebel. He's probably fighting the wind right now. Oh man, poor guy. Whoa. Man, that wind is starting to come through. Oh my gosh. For the first time on the interstate, I gotta say this baby's really pulling it together. This is a very smooth ride. Very comfortable. In fact, it's actually like a lot more stable than the Rebel 500 my friend's on right now. This is a lot smoother ride. A lot more comfortable. Oh man, that sun feels nice. Man, where'd you go?
I was taking my time.
I'm thinking this must be the one. Hey. What's up, Brody? How you been, bro?
Pretty good, man. How are you?
Good, man. Good. Oh yeah, I've seen this shot. Well, I say we start here, then we go up to the roof, and we try to knock it out real fast before any would-be security tries to kick us out. You say what? Yeah, you should.
Get your debut on there.
Yeah, man.
Plug your fucking channel and everything.
You know, I'm just doing it just for fun. You know, I'm not really trying to do too much with it.
I could get you some subscribers.
Hell yeah.
I plugged my friend one time. He got like 100 within like 2 minutes.
Do you still do a lot of stuff on YouTube and TikTok?
Not really, but like my community's still there.
Yeah.
I still interact.
All right, guys. So we just got some dope ass photos. We have met up with some friends. Good vibes all around today. Perfect weather for riding, by the way. Perfect, absolutely perfect. It's like 75 degrees. So comfortable out. It is. I can't get over how beautiful of a day it is here. Not even windy or anything. Usually, like, it feels like every time I go riding, there's like something, right? It's either too cold or it's raining or, well, maybe it's too sunny. Holy shit. Oh yeah, I just realized. So this is like actually the first moto vlog that I'm doing. Basically, I'm really excited. I got a GoPro, I got a microphone. Still working on the setup just a little bit, right? But I figured I just wanted to use this as a way to kind of chronicle my adventures into motorcycle riding. Really, I've been doing this for about a year, and it's just fun to see, you know, everything. I wanted a way to reflect on everything that I've done and have a way to document everything that I am going to do. And so my intentions here really aren't to, you know, become super famous on YouTube or whatever, or TikTok, Instagram, any social media platform. I really just want to kind of have fun and record some stuff, almost like a scrapbook, but just online, digitally. And I can show my friends and family, and hopefully they all dig it, you know. But really, this is just a little passion project that I've decided I wanted to have, and I might do it a lot. I might not do it any, who knows. Not even broken in yet, handling the highway, handling the interstate like nothing. Smooth as butter. I love this orange though. This orange is so nice. Man, your bike's louder than mine. What the world? Hey, give it a good rip. Give it a good rip. Cool. That thing sounds beautiful. That Vance & Hines exhaust was the best purchase I ever made, man. Now, I'm not crazy about loud pipes. I really don't care that much, but when it's like that just right amount of loudness, whew, sounds good. I don't want to be waking up the neighborhood, but right there, that's perfect. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video here before I get too close to home. But I really hope you enjoyed it. I mean, this was kind of like a low-key thing, very sporadic, a little photo shoot. I love it, you know, it's fun. If you like this kind of content, you know, like, subscribe. I'd love to have you in the community. It's just gonna be good vibes, and we're gonna have fun. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you like seeing this Shadow Phantom. 231 miles on it. Oh, it's beautiful. All right, guys, well, again, hope you enjoyed. Have a good one, bro.